It's a girl Andrea back in the best part of my house, my kitchen. And you know, it's that time of year where it is so joyous. It is so melodious. To me, this is the best time of the year for me, Christmas time. Because you know what? You get to prepare the best type of food. You also get to make the best type of drink, local drinks. Christmas is a time of year that all children love. You know, even adults, the older people, we get to share. It's a time of sharing. It's a time of showing more love. So I'm going to put a lot of love into my sorrel. I'm going to make some sorrel that will be so tasty, you'll be crying for more. So let's cut the chase and start the video. Okay, for my sorrel recipe, right, I have 2 4-ounce pack of dried sorrel. And these are clover sorrel. You know, actually you can get the fresh sorrel, but certain parts you don't get the fresh sorrel. So when you don't have mama, you have to take papa, right? So this is the dry sorrel. The fresh one is the better one to me to use to make this sorrel drink. And it is grown all over the Caribbean in abundance at Christmas time. Okay? So two packets of 4 ounces, that's 8 ounces of sorrel that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'm going to be using some grated ginger, half a cup of grated ginger. This is what the ginger looks like. You grate it. So this is half a cup. The love of the island, Angostra Bitters. I'm going to put a dash of this. Okay? Since you don't want to kill the flavor, I'm not going to put too much of cloves. I have like 5 cloves. Right? There's the cloves. 5 cloves. And 2 small cinnamon stick. Right? They're about 2.5 inches. Right? 2 small cinnamon stick. And a piece of orange rind. And guess what again? 1 star anise. I'm going to use 1 star anise. So, to the pot. See the water is bubbling? Look at that water is bubbling. Your water have to be bubbling. I have 4 cups of water inside there. You don't want to put a whole bunch of water because what will happen if you put a lot of water in this pot? Your sorrel is going to come out very light. It's not going to draw all the liquid from the sorrel. So you want to really draw out all that liquid. Sometimes you look at a video and you see some of the sorrel looking sort of pink. I like my sorrel to look red. You understand? So, here you go. This is 1 packet. Two packets. You put the ginger in. Don't be scared to put in the ginger. You throw in the cinnamon stick. The cloves goes in. And 1 star anise goes in. Also the orange peel. Now, look at this. You want to put a little more water. You want at least to have the water covering the top of the sorrel. So I'm going to put some more water. I'm going to put additional water. Two cups of water. 3 cups of water will do the job. And you give it a little toss. You give it a little toss. Oh, ooh, smelly aroma of this. Wow. This smells so nice. And it has a sort of tatty sort of flavor. So, I'm going to cover it. I don't want to cover it complete. I don't want it to overboil. So, you just leave a little crack. And you leave it boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And I'll be back 5 minutes. I just want to check up on this sorrel, how it's bubbling. Right, another thing, for safety precaution, when you are removing the lid from the pot, don't remove the lid this way. The steam is going to burn your wrist. So you move it away from your wrist, okay? Oh, wow, 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 wow. Look at that sorrel. Look at that sorrel. Look at that sorrel. And look. You see the color? This is the color. Look at the color. Red and nice. All that beautiful Christmas colors. That red. So I'm gonna put a little more water again. Put a little, and this is hot water. You don't want to put cold water to spoil the level of the cooking of the sorrel. So I put another cup of water. And let this cook down again for another 10 minutes. And let it cool, okay? Okay, the sorrel has been boiling for a little over 15 minutes. And I'm telling you, this is what the sorrel drink is supposed to look like, red and nice. So what I'm going to do in the next step, I'm going to strain. What I do is that I sort of take out the petals like, right? But it's going to be a real nice drink, you know. Take out the petals. You want that drink to be really rich and nice. I like it to be red and nice. You understand? Straining time. Some people use this when they strain it out. Some people use the petals and they make jelly. Right? You can make some jelly with it, yeah, and you don't need to throw it in the trash, you know. If you like gardening like I do and plant a little tomatoes and stuff like that, right? You can make a little nice little compost heap. Put this in the compost, right? For the next season. Off camera. The petals that I put in the pot after I strain in it, I put it back inside this pot and add additional 2 cups of water. Okay, so now this is the same petals that I used that was boiling. I give it some extra water because I know it has some more liquid in it, right? If you want to make more sorrel, have more liquid in it. And as I said, if you want, you could go and look up how to make sorrel jelly. Just like how you make guava jelly, you can make sorrel jelly. You know, I'll probably bring a video with some sorrel jelly sometime. So, all the cinnamon stick, all of that has been absorbed flavor. The orange peel, star anise, everything there. Right? So this is some extra. And when I'm finished with this, I'm gonna sweeten it. You know, the best time to sweeten it is when it's still warm enough, okay? Now look at this. Look at this. This is the color it should be, right? And because it have this dark color, sometimes you pick some sorrel, fresh sorrel, and it's sort of pink, right? But look how red and nice this is. So you don't need to put brown sugar in it. Some people put brown sugar. So what I'm gonna put is some white sugar. I'm gonna put some white sugar in it, okay? To sweeten it. Now you sweeten according to how you like it, okay? If you want it sweet and nice, put sugar, you can put extra sugar. Sugar for taste, okay? Now if you're diabetic, you know to cut down on the amount of sugar that you're using. And you just give it a stir. You give it a stir. While you're stirring it, you put in a dash of the sweetheart of the island, Angostra Bitters. Okay guys, it has been cooled for about 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and I've put some ice in it. And this is how my sorrel came out. Look how rich and red that is. That is real Christmas flavors. So I'm going to take a taste of it and see really all those combined flavors, how it really went down. Oh, this is simply delicious. And you know this? You can use some alcohol if you want to hype it up a little bit. You can put a little alcohol, but I'm not putting any alcohol because, you know, I have some kids that love sorrel, and children are not supposed to be consuming alcohol. But for the adults, you can just put some alcohol in it and hype it up a little bit. So, from Andrea Kitchen to your home, I'm wishing you a very, very Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again with another great video. This is the girl saying bye.